Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Uais Avie. My serial number P278381200071. I'm here to present about Arduino Atmega 328 portable spirometer using gas pressure sensor for efficiency and fifth one measurement. Overview, one abstract, two introduction, three material and method, four result, five discussion, six conclusion, seven reference. Abstract. Extreme climate change and air pollution caused by the smoke vehicle exhaust gas, and industry can increase the chance of contraction virus infection diseases caused by virus, especially respiratory infection. Lung volume measurement obtained from the air that is inhaled and exhaled by someone can help doctor diagnose abnormalities in the lungs. The purpose of this study was to develop an affordable pulmonary function measurement system, which is a spirometer. The main board consists of a non-inverting amplifier Arduino microcontroller, LCD, and CD card memory. FVC and FF1 volume measurement are carried out when the breath play through the MPX 500 dB 100 dB gas pressure sensor. The sensor's output is a voltage which is converted to a volume using the Venturi meter method. The SD card memory is used to store the data, the result of measurement data on respondent with a spirometer compression device. Then there is an efficiency error of 0.98%, 53.83%, and 51 or 5C 2.50%. Spirometer is tool used to measure how much air can be inhaled by person for a certain duration. This measurement is usually done in excess disease that is in the lungs, namely obstruction and during. The obstructive disease is pulmonary disease having difficulty removing air from the lungs due to blockage in the respiratory tract, while respiratory disease are pulmonary disease where the lungs are not fully filled with air, usually due to limited ability to expand. In 2011, Alkefas HI lab has conducted research on PC-based spirometer. The device still looks on computer or PC with a windmill system. The control circuit still use the AT9S5 IC microcontroller. The result show a volume measurement error value of 2.4% in volume measurement of 0.5 liter. In 2015, Ahmad Zainuddin et al. Conduction a study on measuring lung volume by utilizing pressure sensor. In this study, utilizing a pressure sensor for measuring vital lung capacity using physical, theoretical, namely flow continuity equation, Bernoulli equation, and Venturi method. The data from the full measurement show LCD widths are the compared with the Chica type spiral K1 11510 Vital belonged to the SSVC laboratory of the Faculty of Sports Science, State University of Surabaya, and obtained the highest difference of 0.24 liter in 2016. Wahyu Teja Kusuma et al. Conduction research on application design of health measurement of human lung functioning using smartphone microphone. In 2017, Kamalasari et al. Conduction research on non-invasive spirometer with piezoelectric sensor to detect lung health. Passed and on the innovation of the above problem, the author in the medicine of portable spirometer to measure the health of lung function. In this study, utilizing MPX 5100 dB pressure sensor for 5VC and 5SARS, one measuring device based on Atmega 3 to 8 microcontroller volume measurement result and lung health condition will be displayed on the LCD automatically. The computer module uses real spirometer. Material and method. Experimental setup. The study used 6 normal subjects with a criteria ranging from 20 to 40 years and height between 150 to 170 and 2 centimeter. Subject were then taken randomly and collection data were repeated 6 times. Number 1, material and tools. The study uses disposable mouthpiece. This mouthpiece is position is the mouth to blow air. An instrumentation amplifier is based on IC 3584 amplified from MPX 5100 dB sensor result. Arduino microcontroller is used to process data generated from amplifier and voltage data will be changed to volume unit. The result of the measurement applied LCD memory. The SCD card is used to store volume measure data. Experiment is used to compare modules. Number 2, experiment. In this study, after the design is complete, this module is tested with trackable spirometer. Number 2, the diagram block. In this study, long volume measurement was carried out based on the below from the respondent mount. Then appeared using an instrument and amplifier. The default analog to digital converter on Arduino Uno is used to convert analog to digital data that it will be converted to volume unit with the principle on feature meter. The result of the volume measurement data are saved to the SD card. This is a block diagram block. Material and method. This is a flow chart. The material method. Number C. The flow chart. The Arduino program is built on the flow chart. After the Arduino installation, the program will ask for the context of personal data such as height, gender, and age. Then to program will conclude the predict value. The analog circuit. An important part of the development is the analog circuit that illustrates an instrument amplifier. This circuit is used to amplify the result of measurement so that they can be read Arduino. Therefore, it will be ready for digital processing using Arduino. Preamplifier. An instrument amplifier circuit is a preamplifier for the MPX 5100 dB sensor amplifier that takes an important part for analog processing. This circuit consists of one of M. The overall chain in adjust to R2 99 9000 and 90 ohm, and R1 1000 ohm. 2 feet of the sensor is connected to VCC and ground. Feed output 1 to the sensor are connect to a non-inverting G2 input. This is instrument amplifier. This is result in the study. The module has been tested using on copies of module measurement with three couple spiro tools. The results show that the measurement in the module one, the test point measurement ratio, result number two, again, two team the output voltage is strong when there is a rate. Vout square height, clearly 1,500 MeV. Vout, 1 volt. The listing program for calculation FVC and FEVS1 in this paper, the software is only programmed on Arduino, which is program FVC and FEVS1 measurement program for Arduino one in the listing one program. This is a program of calculation the value of FVC and FEV1. Number three, stroke of FV measurement FF2 SD card memory in order for the Spiro to store the result of the diagnosis. The measurement result will be stored on this SD card monitoring of check the listing. This is a program listing number two for storing result of FV and FF1 measurement. Number four, we analysis and measurement result. The method of the test be comparing the result of measurement using two devices, the spirometer and the data collection. We carried out 6 times per respondent using the module. Based on the measurement of efficiency and FEV1, value using MPX5 100 dB compared to the standard previous. In table 1 show that the maximum error value of 0.97%, 5 is 3.83%, and 5 ratio is 2.50%. The difference in option volume value can be caused by several factors, including to breadth of person cannot be controlled actually between the first and second breathing in the some person and slight difference. That's was what causing the difference in result between spirometer tools and the module, because the data collected in the study was scored out in different distribution. Discussion overall this lesson can do that. A portable spirometer formation the quality of lung function has been designed after process of literature making and studying for planning experiment, device testing, and data collection. The author on using non-inverting amplifier circuit Arduino Uno can convert analog data to digital when the measurement is done on the test point microcontroller circuit in using two process. The data generated by non-inverting circuit. The voltage data is processed to be volume by the Venturi meter principle. Then the result will be displayed on the LCD, which also show the respiration of the patient condition and will be equipped with a structure system in the SD card. Decided on the analysis result of statistical data on respondent, the precedent error false have been calculation. If these are average, then there's an error value 0.98% in 5 measurement, 3.83% in 5 measurement, and 2.50% in 5 ration. This is still below the 5% error tolerance limit. Conclusion, the ratio can be developed on equipment with the delete button using a sensor older than MPX 5100 dB. In order that there will be a better innovation and measurement. For example, use the follow trace user sensor, fix or repair the must-be design. This is a reference. Thank you. My presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.